Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Touch ID on your blockchain wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the blockchain app, then go to the home section, and on the top left corner of the screen, you should see this profile icon. And it's going to open up the settings menu, and in the settings menu you should scroll down to the security tab, and at the security tab you can turn on Touch ID verification. It is the second one from the bottom, and that way you can log in your wallet by using your Touch ID instead of your PIN code. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.